All right, today I've got Kate, and what she's working on is a little planter. This is upside down right now, and these legs are kind of big and square and bulky. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of a detail. We're going to take this corner and we're going to put a chamfer in it, but we're going to start it about an inch down and we're going to end it about an inch up, like that. And you're going to see how that's done next. Okay, we're here at the router table, and what I've done is I put the chamfer bit into the router, and I've adjusted the height. And I took a sample cut to make sure that we liked what the height was. Now what we have to do is we want to set up where the chamfer is going to start and where it's going to end. And the way we did that is we took a piece of scrap and I made a mark 1 inch in from each end because we wanted to start an inch down and end an inch up. So what we've done is I brought the bit over as far as it can go on the turn. So that's the furthest it's going to come this direction. And I lined that up and I made a little mark. And then I came over here, I did the same thing, I made another little mark. After we've done that, we could just use those lines. We could drop it on, go across and pull it off just using the lines. But if we want to be just a little bit more careful and a little more accurate, you can put stops on either side as long as your fence is long enough, and it is for this case. So what we can do now is Kate is going to put her board against this block and she's going to drop it on. You're going to see the line right here. She's going to drop it on. It's going to be even with that line. She's going to go across until she hits the other one, and then she's going to pull off like that. I'm going to demonstrate on one, and she's going to do the rest. We put it right here, Kate. We're going to drop it in. So making sure that you stay tight to that block. Then we go across. And then you're going to come out. And then you'll have your stop chamfer. We'll have to sand that a little bit. And that's the last of her chamfers. She's all done. And that's your tip of the day.